Hello MTV and welcome to my crib. Alright, we're going to be doing a 5-minute makeup tutorial. First, you're going to take Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. It's unbelievable, it smooths everything out and I recommend everyone get it. But get the mini size because the big one is really expensive. Save your coin, mama. Okay, then we're going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which is, in my opinion, the greatest makeup of all time. If I was stranded on a desert island, it is what I would choose. So you're gonna look a little crazy at first, just slathering concealer all over your face, but don't worry. It's part of your journey to looking less mediocre than you already did. I'm recording this on an iPhone, so we're doing the best we can. Alright, Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Smells like the beach. We love her work. I'm sure we all know how to contour. It's 2019. But if you don't, just honestly watch what I'm doing and you do it. Okay, next is eyebrows. And I'm taking 2 pencils, Benefit Precisely My Brow, and then something from Mary Kay, who even cares. Just use a chunky one and then a tiny one so you can fill out the shape and then define the shape. Eyebrows take the longest, but they're very important. They're like the windows of the face. I think that's the eyes, but I guess they're kind of like the shades of the face. Yeah, we'll go with that. Just go with your natural shape, and it's pretty easy to draw on an arch if you don't have one. It takes a lot of practice though. Eyebrows are just something that take time to get good at. Mine still look kind of crazy, but I like dramatic brow. Do y'all think I should do a movie review of Toy Story 4? No. Okay, right now, I'm filling in the front part of my brow, and then you can just take your fingers and wipe a little bit off, and it makes them look a little bit more natural. Okay, we're taking the Tarte Maneater palette, just using a banana-y shade. I don't know. I'm no beauty guru, but I do have resting bitch face. I'm sorry to disappoint all of my fans. Okay, we're gonna take a transition shade and just define the eye a little bit so you don't look so one-dimensional, if you will. Gotcha. Good angle right there, huh? Shot on iPhone 8. Okay, now we're taking the Jumbo Eye Pencil by NYX in the shade Milk. Just makes your eyes look a little bigger and makes you look more awake. This is my busted and crusted eyeliner that I've had since 3 years ago from a Sephora birthday kit, so don't be like me, kids. Use newer products. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Bleep, that was the NYX, but I'm sorry. Hope there are no children watching. Mascara time. Mascara is really that girl. She really does it. It's starting to come together. Alright, Glossier Cloud Paint. Unbelievable. Looks like the blood of your enemies. Slather it on your cheeks. And if it looks too bright, just add some powder over it. Who cares? It's makeup. Now, everyone's favorite time, highlight. The butter highlight from Physicians Formula is, wow, just look at her. Look at her shine. This highlight is so good, I want to take it behind the middle school and get it pregnant. 30 Rock's gonna tag me for copyright. If you know, you know. I'm so embarrassing, oh my god. You know what? Everyone's clicked out. Now it's just time to powder the face so you don't look oily, because it's hot out here. At least in Chapel Hill, North Carolina, it's like fiery pits of hell. So hot. Okay, this is the Essence Make Me Brow or something, I don't know. It's a dupe for Benefit Gimme Brow. And it's $2.99, so save your coin. Now it's time for a lip. During the summer, all you really need is a lip liner and some gloss, and you can head out the door. Take on the world. This is a really good one, but it's from last summer, so they probably don't have it. I'm sorry. God, what a color. Oh my god. This is me trying to be a YouTuber and failing. Unsubscribe now. It's okay. I hate myself too. Oh god, it just keeps going, doesn't it? No? Okay, bye! Subscribe.